Hey guys, good morning. Hi, puppy. Say good morning. It's 2 days prior to the last clip, but Sebastian left today for Gainesville. He has some work to do over there. Today my parents are coming.
Okay.
But so far I am alone with my little baby. It's been a while since we've been alone, just him and myself, especially for more than a couple of hours. Last time I think we were, I don't know, like 7 months, 8 months. So it's been some time. Today, let's see what I am capable of doing with him, seeing how my legs still feel super heavy from the workout on Friday. And I am still kind of walking like a robot. But with that said, we will see how today turns out. Today, until my parents get here at least. Okay.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
No, puppy.
I know where we can go, where the sun rises.
We're gonna go make some food. I think I have allergies. Okay. Just need to get anytime now. Or not. Well, I'm about to feed Eric, and then he should be taking his second nap in about 30 minutes. And then, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. It's kind of a slow day when I don't have Sebastian around. Hey. Yeah, yummy. Thank you. Okay, so my camera died. But my little perfect boy. Yummy, that's so good. No, night night. Bye. Bye bye. 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 Love you. So my parents got here at around 6. My dad has been using the daylight to look at the car because the car isn't even turning on to pull into the garage. So that's that. Eric is trying to fall asleep because it is his good night time. It is past 8 because he woke up late from his nap. He is a little behind because he normally goes, now he goes down around 7:30, latest 8. So yeah, that is that. But that's it so far for today. If I have any updates, I will insert them after this regarding the car.